Is there a government operation going on right now in your hometown? Are public defenders taking on different forms, baiting and switching, or shapeshifting on their clients? Today, we may have witnessed what is really going on in Judge Simpson's courtroom. Is this possibly a CIA operation? And are they trying to silence whistleblowers like Mr. Davis, who are true American heroes? Time-served Productions may have witnessed attorney Gaddy's shapeshift. I mean, he is always in the dark during Zoom, so there may be steam to this engine. We apologize for interrupting today's after-school special, pre-trial The Alex Manning Story, one woman's fight of keeping bondees from stopping for gas in Fulton County, starring Scarlett Johansson.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond will continue. That's 3. Court calls the cases of the people versus Simeon Davis.
Good morning, Your Honor. Grace Broughton.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Davis, Your Honor. As soon as he gets settled, I'll ask him to unmute himself and state his name. Mr. Davis, if you could unmute and state your name and turn on your camera.
Simeon Davis, Your Honor. Are you the same?
All right, thank you, sir.
Yesterday? Excuse
I
me,
didn't hear.
are you the same attorney that came to see me yesterday? You look totally different.
Nope, that's me.
Couldn't be. No, absolutely not. You're not the same attorney that saw me yesterday. Well,
Yes.
maybe I could be incorrect. You don't look the same.
It was me.
Okay.
Um,
Do you remember what we talked about?
yes.
Well, this is nice.
Yeah.
I'm going to, well, I'm supposed to be going to,
Your Honor, Mr. Davis, let me handle this, okay?
okay.
All right, good.
Your Honor, I had a
Yep.
chance to
What are we doing?
Judge, I had a chance to speak with Mr. Davis and Ms. Broughton and with Mr. Dowd, who I think would be the bind-over attorney on these matters. We're looking at a global, perhaps, specialty court resolution in this matter. I'd ask you to adjourn this 2 weeks so that we can continue working on that.
Okay.
All right. Did you want the 25th or?
Does the judge know that I've been locked up here for 7 months in max? And I've been on suicide
2, 3,
over 20 times and my life is in danger here at this facility? That I had my grandmother died as well as my great aunt, and I'm like really going through
8.
breathing periods.
Mr. Davis.
A couple 30 days.
Judge Simpson's aware, is I think familiar with the process of this case.
I am, and I'm also aware that there are 9 charges pending. Just so that we get all that on the record.
I couldn't hear you, excuse me.
So I'm aware of everything that you just said, but also would just add that there are 9 charges that are currently pending.
Okay,
So they're trying to work through to get them all together. I don't want to talk about this, Mr. Davis. I don't want to talk about the charges because anything you say could be used against you. So I'm not going to have that conversation with you.
Okay, because they told me
Your counsel has indicated that he is trying to do a global resolution for you, which at least on the face of it, from what I'm looking at, makes sense.
So I'm going to.
So, okay. And again, Mr. Davis, I'm not arguing with you.
No, because the gentleman yesterday said I was going to mental health.
No.
Well, the gentleman yesterday is the same person that's here. I don't know what happened.
So I'm not going to mental health.
I've known Mr. Gaddy a long time and he doesn't change forms. Mr. Gaddy, how much time?
Mr. Davis, please stop it now.
No, he was a lot better than you. He was a lot bigger than you. He was older than you. He had a mask. He definitely wasn't you. And he told me I was going to mental health.
Okay, I don't want to go into what we discussed yesterday. Judge, March the 25th will be fine.
That works for the
Who are
people.
you? I would like to see the same attorney that I saw yesterday that mentioned mental health court.
Okay, one more word, I'm cutting your mic. May 25th, 2023, 9 a.m. Bond will continue in these matters.
And what is
Thank
the
you.
bond, Your Honor?
Thank you.
What
One
is the
more
bond,
word.
Your Honor?
Cut his mic. Can you pick it up? Which one? Court, let's call the case. People versus Kashid Daly.
Can you hear him all right? Apologize, Your Honor. Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Your Honor, Gina Noveski, First Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Daly, who is appearing from the jail.
Mr. Daly, can you state your name?
Rashad Daly.
You got anything you want to say?
Well,
No, don't say anything. Don't say anything. All
He
right,
didn't want to
ahead.
go.
What do
He
we-
didn't want to go next, Your Honor. But
I know he was trying his best to be quiet. I was looking at him. He's trying his best not to say anything to me. But go
You
ahead.
did great.
What do we do?
Your Honor, I did reach out to Miss Landy yesterday, and she and I had a brief discussion about the case, but we need some additional time to continue to discuss a possible resolution. So I would ask to adjourn the probable cause conference, but I would ask to address bond as well.
Ms. Landy, is that correct? Were you talking to Ms. Noveski or was
It was somebody
It was-
else. I am a shapeshifter.
morphing public defenders?
it was, I believe, Ms. Noveski. We did not speak
Oh, okay.
live, but I do believe.
I'm just checking.
Such suspicious behavior from Judge Simpson, and Mr. Gotti lost his temper. Mr. Davis may not make it through the rest of the day. I smell cover up. This was a time-served special report. Don't forget to like and subscribe and never miss these hard-hitting clips. We now will rejoin the programming already in progress, pre-trial starring Viola Davis as Amber Free. You have been served.